Network engineers, if Python, APIs, JSON, and Git feel like 4 different careers, you've been given tools without a route. This CCNA automation course builds the road, step by step, from the networking you know to software skills modern networks demand. Chapter 1 starts with automations data, XML, JSON, and YAML. You will compare them, then parse them into Python structures you can work with. Next, you will see how test-driven development catches problems early and how Agile, Lean, and Waterfall shape the way teams deliver code. Then, we'll turn scripts into software, organizing code with functions, classes, and modules, and making sense of MVC and Observer. Finally, Git becomes your safety net. Clone, add, remove, commit, diff, branch, merge, resolve conflicts, then push and pull. This isn't theory for a badge. It's networking, software, APIs, and automation working together. The real way network engineering works. Let's build the road.